With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello students. Question is limit x tends to 2, summation from r equals to 1 to n x to the power r minus r equals to 1 to n 2 to the power r upon x minus 2 is equal to, and these are our four options. We have to say which of the following option is correct. Okay, so let's find this. See, I am going to expand this summation, so this will become limit x tends to 2. This will be x plus x square plus x cube plus till x to the power n. Okay, minus 2 plus 2a square plus 2 cube plus till 2 to the power n upon x minus 2. Now I'm going to separate. I'm going to write some combinations in numerator. I will write x minus 2 at one place plus x square minus 2a square plus next x cube minus 2 cube plus so on x to the power n minus 2 to the power n, and I will divide every term with x minus 2. Okay, and now I will apply limit on every expression. What limit I will apply? See, there is one formula, limit x tends to a x to the power n minus a to the power n upon x minus a is equals to n times a to the power n minus 1. Okay, so this value will be 1 plus this is n is 2 into 2 into 2 to the power 1 plus here n is 3 into 2a square plus 4 into 2 cube, and last term will be n into 2 to the power n minus 1. Okay, now if you'll see this whole term can be written as summation. Okay, n is equals to 1 to n, and this is n into 2 to the power n minus 1. Okay, now, or what we can do, we can see that this series is in AGP, this is in AP first term, and this term is in GP. So I'm going to consider this sum as S. Okay, now I'll multiply to both sides, so you'll get 2S is equals to, this will be 1 with multiply with 2 will get 2, and we'll write 2 over here, plus this will get multiply with 2, and this will come 2 into 2a square. We'll write this 2 into 2a square over here, plus here this will get multiply with 2, this will become 2 cubes, so this will become 3 into 2 cube. And this will get multiply with 2, and this will become 2 to the power n, so this will become n into 2 to the power n. Okay, now I'm going to subtract both. S minus 2s will be minus s is equals to 1 minus 0 will be 1 plus this is 1 into 2, this both will become 2 plus Here 3 times 2a square minus 2 times 2a square, this will become 2a square, plus this will become 3 cube, plus so on. Okay, and here this will be 2 to the power n minus 1, okay, minus n times 2 to the power n. Okay, this will go in minus sign because there is plus 0 minus this part. Okay, now I'm going to multiply this minus this side, so we'll get s is equals to minus summation of this. So if you see, this is sum of n terms of GP, whose first term is 1 and common differences are. These are n terms. Why? See, this is 2 to the power 1. So degree 1 to n minus 1, these all are n minus 1 terms, and this is also 1 term. So total n terms. And that answer is summation term, that a times r to the power n minus 1 upon r minus 1. Okay, so what is a? First term is 1 and r is 2. So 2 to the power n minus 1 upon 2 minus 1. And when this minus will multiply with this will become plus n times 2 to the power n. And this will become s is equals to n into 2 to the power n. This will become 1. Minus will multiply inside. This will become 2 to the power n plus 1. And here s will be equals to n minus 1 into 2 to the power n plus 1. Okay, now see which is option. So here you can see option 3rd is correct. Thank you, students.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut App today.